Hello dear students, welcome back to NESC online classes. I am your course trainer Bobby Bora from Hospitality Operations Housekeeping. So today we'll talk about laundry flow process. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain the laundry work flow process. In this slide, you can see the different steps of laundry flow process. Now let's go through the steps involved in laundry flow process. It includes collection and transportation of linen, arrival in the laundry, sorting and counting of linen, weighing, loading, washing and rinsing in hydro extractor, unloading, then tumble drying, ironing or pressing, folding, airing, temporary storage of linen, and then transfer and use. Collection and transportation. Collection of linen may be done in the linen room if the laundry is off-site, but is usually in the laundry itself if the laundry is on premises. Certain linen items are collected separately. For example, kitchen uniforms or dusters are collected separately, as are butchery aprons and dusters because they have a specific type of soil. The linen is usually packaged in canvas bags lined with polyvinyl. Eyelets on the rim of the bag facilitate passing a nylon cord through which can be tightened in order to shut the opening of the bag. Trolleys are most popular for transportation, and collapsible wire cart can be used to transport clean as well as soil linen. If planned at the construction stage, an inbuilt chute is used for transporting linen from the floor pantries. It is preferable to put linen into canvas bags before dropping it down the chute so that wear and tear is reduced. Arrival. On arrival, linen must be dealt with as quickly as possible. There must be a separate section for guest laundry that is usually handled by the most experienced staff. Processing linen for laundering as quickly as possible is necessary because to ensure that linen items are available as and when required, to avoid transfer of stains and to prevent stains from becoming permanent, so that it does not provide a breeding ground for bacteria and pests, to prevent the formation of mildew on damp articles, particularly bath linen, to reduce the possibility of linen getting misplaced or lost. Sorting. Gloves may be used when handling or sorting linen. Sorting is carried out according to the type of fabric, item, color, as well as degree and type of soil. Sorting is done to separate those articles that need dry cleaning from those that will go through the normal wash process. Those that need mending or stain removal will be separated so that they can be dealt with accordingly. Marking. Marking may be temporary for guest laundry and permanent for hotel linen, that is known as monogramming. It is the temporary marking that is carried out at this stage. Most good establishments have a marking machine that attaches a heat-sealed tape in an inconspicuous place. The tag has scope for 6 characters and is intended to indicate the initials of the guest as well as the room number. It provides a clear identification for correct peeling, and although it does not come off in the normal wash process, it can be peeled off if so desired. Weighing. Weighing is carried out to conform to the capacity of the washing machine. In case of overloading, there is reduced centrifugal action because the linen articles are too tightly packed in the drum. Loading. This is often done manually or with a certain degree of automation. Basically, in this step, all the linen is loaded into the washer. Washing. This is the stage during which the actual cleaning of the items take place. It is designed to perform 3 basic functions that are removal of soil from the textiles and suspend it in solution so that it can be discharged from the machine through the drain. Rinsing. Once the wash cycle is completed, rinsing becomes essential. A running rinse with an open drain is more effective, but a larger volume of water is utilized. Rinsing is carried out at least twice so as to ensure removal of residual laundry agents and suspended dirt. It may also help to lower the temperature of the wash load by using a cold water rinse. Hydro extraction. Draining followed by hydro extraction will remove excess moisture through centrifugal force by spinning the load at a high speed. The absorbency of the fabric affects the length of the cycle, that is 6 to 8 minutes, and the residue of the moisture. Unloading. Transferring washed linen from the hydro extractor to the tumble dryer is a difficult task because of the added weight of moisture. Articles may be manually removed and put into trolleys. Tilting and dumping machines reduce the physical effort of manual unloading. A laundry cart can be positioned under the door and a push button operated to rotate the cylinder and empty its contents. Tumble drying. This process is capable of rendering the linen completely dry by blowing hot air between 40 to 60 degrees centigrade onto the articles as they are slowly rotated in the drum. The process of tumble drying creates a good deal of wear and tear on the fabric as particles of lint come off the fabric in the drying process. The time taken is approx 30 minutes depending on whether the article is to be completely or partially dried. For those articles that require a pressed finish, ironing and pressing are usual. Articles like blankets, towels, candlewicks, bedspreads, etc. that do not require a pressed finish are only tumble dried. Folding. This can be done by machine, but in most cases is usually done manually. The use of folding stand helps minimize this otherwise very labor-intensive operation. Manual folding makes it possible to achieve the desired fold as well as ensure quality control. Employees in this area are the ones who reject stained linen and are a good source of ascertaining what type and quantities of stains commonly occur. This is essential prior to storage, especially if the articles are to be stored in closed shelves. It ensures that any moisture that is likely to cause mildew will be got rid of. Storage. This should be properly done in a well-designed storage space. The storage area must be isolated from the soiled linen and kept clean. Let's sum up today's learning. So today we learned about laundry flow process. Dear students, if you have any questions or queries, please feel free to contact me. Thank you and have a nice day.